don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 150k subs. Hey Tabafetu, this video is brought to you by EasyPets. Click the link in the description to sign up and use code FANS50 to receive a 50 Rand sign-up bonus. And also, T's and C's apply. Under 18s are not permitted to gamble. Tango. To TV, it's the Petro Premiership. Mamelodi Sundowns 3, Chippa 0. I'm joined by Mr. Spars.
So Stibo.
Pere?
I'm Nandi man. Nazi nangiza namuhla bengizibuza ukuthi ngizominya or
What?
ngizoyenzani ngizosisa.
Yeah.
Kodwa ukuminya.
Yeah?
Ukuthi iChippa iwine.
Sharp.
Advantage ukuthi yethu ukuthi siye ku top 8 yeba ibanzima. So ngabona ukuthi yazi thing nokubukela igame ngiphume kunto zokuminya ngibukela igame.
Uvela ubona iresult.
Ngibona ama result ukuthi sikhiphane bro wabe mara ngibone something eSundowns bro wabe Sundowns bro wami ibhola bayadlala ko badlala ibhola emnandi bro wabe.
Hayi cho.
Yazi bro wami maba attack ne.
Yeah.
Umusa libusa no Khoza.
Yeah.
Bakavara i2 and 3.
Yeah.
Bayasuka ku 4 and 5 babe masayidi.
Bro
wami Sundowns idlala ibhola emnandi bro wabe. Idlala ibhola emnandi and usibuz ama-Sundowns ngisho bayazibuza ukuthi kuze kanjani ukuthi imani aqale adlalise uMorena nomndawu ngesikhathi esiwani bengayenzeki that thing normally besazi ukuthi umndawu uhlala ebankeni ngena uMorena or bebayenza so mara these days badlalisa bonke nobona ukuthi badlala kamnandi njani
together
kamnandi bro excellent iChippa bro ngicabanga ukuthi ize gaming le izo defend Agranto bebayenza bebazela ukuthi defender bro but mawuthi uyacheka ne stats shot on target abanayo 0 so into bebayidlala ama long ball wena ama long ball into ebeyibhora futhi beyavimba abantu abashot abalenda abo Musa libuza impolo lezawo asifike kibo bro bezibusa labo alenda abashot kuphela uzibuza ukuthi kahle
lezi zenza
uthabo September no lo bathi ngibani bathi ngibani lo man bekadlaleli mabuthi khanye uzibuza ukuthi kahle igame le bayiplayne kanjani iplay nabo uyabona ukuthi kahle bebezela for defend dabona ukuthi sodlala ama long ball wayawa Sundowns ngeke wayidla njalo bro
you can never
you will never bro and not defend the whole 90 minutes ngeSundowns you will never bro
you'll open
angeke izokushaya
uzokushaya
bro bazokuvula ukudlala ibhola from emuva bro wami bayise center bazokuvula
bazokhaba amashida abonana
bro wami
he was doing well
he was doing
uyangithola into ngisho
he was doing no yazi inkinga ama team la bayenzani bro wami they only push harder nabadlala ne Chiefs ne Pirates angazi why
I can't speak
I'm asking myself why always they do much better nabadlala ne Pirates or ne Chiefs angazi why
ukusayina kini
mara why
ora babunisi wethu
bro mangazi maybe abayifuni or maybe bafuna ukusayina iChiefs angazi or iPirates angazi
maybe
mara kiba namuhla bro wami Chippa was not to be found bro wami Sundowns was top they were top and yabona amagama wakane uMayema he once said ukuthi mofika ku Sundowns uyazibuza ukuthi makuthi I don't perform this time umuntu ozoperforma ngemva kwami mangathola ischeme ukuthi ngizohlala ebenchini waya uyayibona ukuthi is happening bro wami ngizisa bro wami uyayibona ukuthi is happening uyabona ukuthi umuntu omunye nomunye ongena kwePitchini ufuna ukudlala bro wami ukuthi ufunani first 11 uyabona ukuthi umuntu makangena ngene ukuthi hayi fuck ngiyazi ukuthi siwinile
ngizongena na next time
uyabona bro wami they come uyambona ukuthi umuntu makangena ePitchini uyayifuna ukuthi next match I want to be on the first 11 I don't want to be on the bench
because bazokuthathela
bro wami ngizisisa
and you need leyo
bro wami I hope ama player wonke Chiefs and Pirates they can have that mentality bro good yazi mangu first 11 let me try hard me bro ukuthi even next match coach angibone ukuthi no I'm still needed a first 11
and keep his spots up
but they're not doing that into lesibona only Sundowns only Pirates abanye bayazama mara uSundowns all players mabangena they give you 100% they give 100% always
floppy kukosi
bro team le yami le bro yo namanje ngiphule out bro I'm not going Amatikiti akekho bra wami. So I don't want to cause avoid le bra wami. So sida ngihlala endlini bra ngizibukela endlini. But amatikiti end of the match bra Musa.
Libusa.
Musa libusa bra wami.
Ishindaba amatikiti Spouse mfethu.
Amatikiti bra wami akekho. Angithi simile bra. Simile kuma Shoprite da sithi simele la yena amatikiti ahamba online. Avaye online.
Sathini bra wami. Spouse njami ngizokukhumbula man.
Meet maybe in 17 ePolokwane makuthi you will come.
Sobange.
Yeah.
Sobange. Yeah, sure.
Izwe.
Thank you, Spouse. Phela